some pissed off flow, son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow, son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? I know. I haven't put out a video in forever. I am still alive and kicking. It's been several months since I put out a video. I apologize. I just taking my winter break, not putting anything out, especially after my last 3 videos really sucked. Haven't really been into it, but we are in January. Shit, today's 31st. We have an impending snowstorm coming in, anywhere from 6 to 18 inches depending on where you live. So, but right now it's like 55 fucking degrees. So I figured, well, hell, let me hop on the bike and go for a quick ride before I go to bed. So here I am. What's new with me? Absolutely nothing. Still pretty much all the same shit. Fuck, it feels good to be on a bike. I haven't been on bike in forever. Still working night shift, still just trying to live every single day. Try to keep my mind occupied. Just, you know, trying to move forward like everybody else does. I don't like how that camera's sitting. Anyways, hell, hopefully this is working, because shit, I ain't used none of this in forever. So anyways, just kind of a late winter video and tell y'all how I am, that I'm alive, I'm kicking. I gained a lot of subscribers not putting out videos, and then the other day I lost a shit ton. I had like 788, now I'm down to 778. I think I lost 10 or something in a matter of a couple days. But I mean, it happens. You don't put out content, people finally stop on following you, and subscribe to you. So yeah, just a quick, you know, winter update. I'm alive, I'm kicking. Things are very rough. I'm not going to get into it, but hopefully looking better now. But it still remains to be seen. So hopefully y'all miss me. Hopefully y'all want to see me come back. And if you do, then yes, I will definitely be back here. Probably about a month, I'll start pumping videos back out. That'll be riding season starting up for me about the end of February, beginning of March. So I'm just going to go ahead and end this one, because I really don't have much to say, and I just kind of want to enjoy this fucking winter ride that I get to do before this massive snowstorm rolls in. Ooh, the streets are slick. The streets are slick as fuck. Alright, y'all, so that's it. That's all I wanted. So, as always, that's a red light. I'm not going into that red light. Oh, it's green. Okay. So as always, you guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you want to, go back down and check some of the old videos out. Also, go hit me up on Instagram. Go over to Rider Bag, order your Rider Bag, use code Hollarmoto10, get 10% off. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.